In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage text styles in Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and make sure you're in the design workspace with your project visible. You can work on any existing file or a fresh artboard. The process is exactly the same. Having your document open gives you a clear canvas where you can see changes to your typography in context. Next, look to the left panel and select the text tool. You'll see your cursor change to indicate you're ready to type. This is your starting point for defining consistent typography across your design. If you're used to keyboard shortcuts, remember that pressing T also activates the text tool, but clicking it in the left panel works perfectly. With the text tool active, click on your artboard or within the area where your form or content will sit. That single click drops an insertion point and creates a new text object right where you need it. Placing text intentionally helps you evaluate size, spacing, and style in the correct layout context. Now type some sample text. Use something representative of what you'll design, maybe a headline, a subheading, and a short line of body copy. This sample gives you a realistic preview of how your typography will feel. Keep it simple and readable so you can focus on style choices rather than content. With the text selected, move to the right panel. This is where all your text editing tools live. Here you can choose a font family that matches your brand's tone, then dial in weight and size to set a clear visual hierarchy. Adjust line spacing to improve readability, tighter for large headlines, a bit more open for paragraphs. Nudge letter spacing to refine density and rhythm, especially for all caps headings or small labels. Set alignment based on layout needs, left for most paragraphs, center for titles, and right, or justified only when your grid or content calls for it. Finally, pick a color that offers strong contrast against the background to maintain accessibility and clarity. As you fine-tune these properties, keep consistency in mind. Choose a small set of sizes, like one for headings, one for subheads, and one for body text, and reuse them. Preview at typical viewing sizes and zoom out occasionally to confirm your hierarchy still reads at a glance. If something feels heavy or cramped, a small tweak to weight or spacing usually solves it. Anytime